Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by eliminating the simplest hardware causes. First, power down both monitor and PC, unplugging power and video cables. Look for frayed wires and bent pins because physical faults often cause intermittent flashing. Once done, reseat each cable firmly and try a known good HDMI or display port cable and a different port on the monitor or GPU. Make sure to power cycle the monitor and system, waiting about 30 seconds before reconnecting. These quick checks resolve many flashing issues and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting. Next, you isolate signal and driver problems. Boot into safe mode or connect the monitor to your motherboard's video output to see if the discrete GPU or its driver is the culprit. Then, check display settings. Set resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native values because mismatched HZ can induce flicker. Update the GPU driver. If the problem started after an update, roll back to the previous driver. Make sure to test the monitor with another computer or a spare monitor on the same system to narrow down the fault. Finally, perform the monitor's factory reset through its on-screen menu and check for firmware updates. This can clear internal configuration bugs. If flashing persists, swap the power outlet or adapter and try the monitor on a second computer to isolate faulty hardware. Replace the video cable and any active adapters or converters as they commonly fail. If none of this stops the flashing, contact the manufacturer for warranty service or consider replacing the panel. Troubleshooting tip: if flashing appears only on battery power, test with stable AC power to rule out power delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.